I had a company graciously reach out to me and ask me if I would try a pair of their rubber boots. And I was so excited to say yes, because as any homesteader knows, a good pair of garden boots, barn boots, chore boots, they're essential to the lifestyle. And I have been through many pairs over the years, so I felt like I would really appreciate a chance to give these a try and give an honest review to those of you out there to see if you think this is a product that might fit you well. So upon unboxing them, a couple of things that I noticed right off bat before I even took them out of the box was that they were neoprene top. They weren't rubber all the way to the top, which puts them in a little different category with some of the big boys out there, some of the bigger brands. And also, I really like the way that the toes are molded and the footbed and the foot itself is molded. If you look here, there is a little bit of a swoop right here, and my old rubber boots, which were a very inexpensive pair from the local farm big box store, they were a very inexpensive pair and they were a lot stiffer and really heavy on my foot. But these right here have a nice swoop to them. I really like that. They're reinforced right here in the toe area. They're not a steel toe or hardened by any means, but there's just an extra layer there, so I like that. I like the treads. I like also on these that there's not a really steep heel on them, but there is a type of heel there, so that gives you a little more stability. So upon first impression, I like them. And I like the inside. These are the ladies. I like the insides because they have flowers on the inside. Now, the company is called Hisea, H-I-S-E-A, and I did go to their website, and I did a little bit of exploring before I decided to set up the camera and try these out so that I would be familiar with the company as well as the boots. And they have, these are not the only style. They have many different categories. They have hunting, they have garden, they have barn and yard work, and they even have a casual category that had some really cute looking boots in it, so you have to go check those out. And I'll be sure to leave a link below for you to be able to go and find them and check them out. Plus I'll have a little discount code that we'll talk about later on. So my first impression when I first pulled them out was they are a tad bit lighter weight than what I expected, but these are not in the barn boot category. These are in the garden category, so it makes perfect sense that these would be a little bit lighter weight. Now, for me, that is not a problem because some of the other boots can be quite heavy when you wear them hour after hour. They can really start to weigh on you and pull on you and just be a burden. So I'm really excited to put these through the paces today and just see how fatigued I might be, or my feet or my legs, at the end of the day after wearing them and doing chores. So let's go ahead and get these boots on and let's get started. having to hold my mic cord up because I don't want it getting down in the, actually that is muck down there. There's cow manure kind of all around and I'm standing in a lot of it right now. That's a great test for these boots. So I've kind of put them through their paces, doing a few things around here today. It's been kind of a quiet day, so there wasn't a whole lot to do, but there was plenty to get dirty in. So I really got to try these boots out, and yes, I love them. They are comfortable, they're lightweight. They have not fatigued my legs or my feet today. Now, there's one thing that I did notice that I will make a point to tell you is that there's not as much support in the arch as maybe some of your higher end products would have. So you could remedy that by purchasing something over the counter and slipping them in there, some type of insoles or something. But the cushion itself inside is very comfortable. And like I said, my feet and my legs are not fatigued. And the old type rubber boots that you saw were well worn out earlier. Those were heavier. They were not comfortable. They didn't have near as soft a cushion. I could have bought some insoles to put in those, but I just wanted to wear them for what they were for, and that was to protect my feet from the muck and the wet. So these right here are wonderful. I love them. You'll have to go check their website out, Hisea.com. I'll leave a link in the description box below. And also, Hisea was generous enough to share with me, to share with you, a 15% off coupon if you would like to try them out. You're in the market for something like this now. I think that you would be probably well served to go check them out and see if you see something that you like. They have got some cute boots on there. All I can say is pro about these. Everything that I have checked about them are good. This is the lower priced one of their garden boots, and it comes in at $39.99. But if you come in at the 15% off coupon, you're gonna save even more. So also, if you found value in this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I want to invite you to subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the great content that we're gonna have that we're gonna have coming out in the future. I really had fun making this video. I got to try out something new, and I got to bring it to you and share with you my thoughts on that. But I want to share this thought with you as well. Don't ever forget that your Heavenly Father loves you. And we'll see you on the next video. God bless.